Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Caroline. Welcome. Okay, so today guys, we are going to clean, we are going to bake, we are going to organize. We're doing all the things. Okay, I hope that this motivates you guys to get up and get that one little thing done, or I don't know, just anything that you need to get done. Get it done within this video. I challenge you. Anyways, enjoy.
Know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around.
I'm gonna go in with the Mrs. Meyers to just wipe down the cabinet. My cabinets are way too high. I'm not gonna bother to get up. This is like a quick wipe down. Whatever we normally touch, that's what I'm gonna try and go for. I'll do a deep clean in my kitchen another day, but for now I just want to get the little parts where I know we touch a lot.
Waited all these years for you right here, but how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. But you're making me nervous.
I like to put a couple drops of essential oils in my garbage disposal just to, you know, give it a little bit of a good smell.
Gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you.
Okay, so I wanted to do like little special things for my family on this day, and one of those things I thought of was muffins. They love them so much. I literally can make them one day and the next day they're all gone. Like, everyone enjoys them as a snack, as breakfast, as a dessert. I mean, literally it doesn't matter. They love these blueberry muffins. So that was something that I thought to do for them, and that'll make them feel loved. I also did a little extra something with the cookies, and honestly, I can say, guys, my boys, I didn't even think that they would appreciate it like that. They were like, wow, Mama, that looks really nice. Good job. And it just made them feel special, and they're like, can we still eat them? I'm like, yeah, you can eat them. I only said just make sure you eat them in a row. But, you know, the point is that it just made them feel special, that I went above and beyond just to make the cookies look nice for them. But you guys will see that in just a second.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
Okay, so this is a cabinet this is our medicine cabinet. I've organized it 100,000 times. Actually, I'm lying. I've probably organized it once, maybe twice. But let's go ahead and go through it, because right now my son is sick and I could have sworn I had medicine for him, but I really didn't. So I was like a psycho in the morning trying to get him medicine. So I'm gonna go through everything, get rid of everything that's expired, and just kind of put everything in categories. That way I know what I have and what I need to get, because I'm that person. I like to have extra just in case.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold.
This expired last year. And it's never been open. Or actually it was open, but these things suck. Okay, so I'm gonna separate everything by category. So over here, let me move this so I can have space. Over here we'll do like soccer stuff. We'll do a little section for allergies, and then sick medicine, my vitamins and stuff. I think this is expired. Sure is. Sickness. Okay, I'll do adult. Okay, kids sick, adult sick. My stuff.
for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second.
So I have everything in categories. Back here is allergy medicine. This is like miscellaneous. Dramamine, that's a ward thing. I gotta put this, I'm gonna put this in our beach stuff because I want to have like a an area in my laundry room where I have all just beach stuff and water stuff, so whenever I need something I could just, you know, grab it, because I always forget to grab these. So I'm gonna move those over there. This is all soccer stuff, which also I want to put this in an area in my laundry room. I have to go organize that, but I want to have a little area for that too because it's quick and easy to grab. These are COVID tests. These are like miscellaneous. I don't even know, half of them is what they are, but I'm gonna ask my husband if he needs any of them. None of them are expired, which is the important part. These are amazing to make you feel better. I'm actually gonna give my son one now. These are all like headache medicine, pain medicine, you know, different stuff. I think this is kids, yeah. And then I have kids medicine over here. I wanna specifically have one thing for them. And then this is adult medicine for, you know, being sick. So here are some of the bins that I have. These clear ones do not fit. These don't fit, so those are out of the question. But all of these, I'm gonna see if any of this works. So I'm just gonna start playing with stuff, putting different things up here and see what actually ends up working.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top.
I moved the stuff back a little. I left these front shelves open because I'm gonna put vitamins here. That way, you know, it's easy to just grab. And then, you know, obviously in the name of Jesus, we're not gonna need any of this stuff in a while. So, and then, you know, we'll have the things that we need every day available easily. And then this is our allergy stuff, which also we need available quite often. So yeah, I need to order my kids their vitamins because they completely ran out and I just realized. So I'm about to do that right now.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our ability.
Okay, so I just placed the order for my boys' vitamins, so that will go here. And then I'm also going to see if I can tuck in the COVID test in here.
Oh, we